how I make $200 a day trading cryptocurrency. Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In this video, I'm not only going to show you step by step how I trade cryptocurrencies to make $200 a day, I'm also going to show you proof that this strategy actually works. I'm going to show you proof live that I've shared signals that worked. So guys, let's actually explain to you how I trade cryptocurrencies. So first of all, you need to know an exchange to trade it on. So if you're a complete beginner, couple of exchanges that I use Coinbase, Binance and BitMEX. I'll leave all the links below. If you scroll down on this video, you can see the exchanges that I use. You can use these links if you want to trade cryptocurrencies. So first of all, you need to sign up to an exchange. Once you've done that guys, what you have to do is go on to the daily time frame or a higher time frame and find coins that are in an uptrend or are breaking out of a pattern. So guys, some of the coins that are breaking out at the moment are Matic coin is a coin that is massively breaking out and is in an uptrend. Some other coins are CELR is in an uptrend and it is looking to break out. As you can see, one is another coin that we are trading. I've shared exact live signals on it, and again, I've not just shared it on my paid group. You could I've shared it on free on YouTube. If you join the live stream, if you're part of the Facebook group, again the links are below. This coin went up 50%. So again, these are not just claims I'm making. If you've been following me, if you're following, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I've talked about this trade live on the YouTube live stream that I do every Sunday. I do a live stream, so you might want to check it out, and I shared the exact entry with stop loss in the educational group. I'll leave all the links below if you want to check it out. I will show you, I'll give you step by step in this video to introduction to how I trade, but all the step by step how I took the trades, where the stop loss was all shared in this group. Just opened 3 spots for month of December. This is a live trading educational course. I'm not sure if I'll do this again. This is the last month. You can scroll down and find all the 15 videos, hour-long videos that I've put together to explain the exact strategy. So what is the strategy? First of all, like I said, you have to go onto the higher time frame and find coins that are in an uptrend or breaking out of a pattern. How do you know it's in an uptrend? So you want to see a higher high, a higher low, and another higher high. So let me write this down for you to explain to you slightly easier. So you want to see coins that are in a higher high, another higher high, and then you want it also see a higher low, which it nicely formed. So I'll show you live examples as well. Let me actually just draw it to you to explain the concept. So you want coins, you want to be looking for coins that are in a higher high. Once you found coins that are in a higher high, you want to see a nice breakout out of them. So you can see this is a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. This is a lot simpler way of showing, but in simple terms, this is what we're looking to find. So in this coin, as you can see, we can see a higher high, a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. This is an exact coin that we traded. If we look at some of the other coins, we can see the exact same thing on a higher time frame. This also works in an hourly, 4-hourly, 5-minute time frame. This is just price action. You can see a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. So there's other coins that are doing the same thing. It's our job to find coins that are higher high, higher lows, or coins that are breaking out. One of the coins that could be breaking out and we're already in is ADA. I'll keep you guys up to date if ADA breaks out, and maybe I'll share it with you on YouTube as well. So that's the first thing. Then I'll give you 2 steps. Again, trading doesn't have to be very hard. I'm not selling an extremely secret indicator that doesn't even work to make money. This is simple price action. You can find all the strategies that I'm teaching you very simply. Then guys, you need to do 2 things. One thing is RSI oversold. RSI is a simple indicator. It's available in every most trading platforms RSI is available, whether you trade at Binance, BitMEX, whichever exchange you use. Then guys, so once we found a coin that is in an uptrend, we want it to get sold. RSI want it to be oversold. Here you can see RSI is getting oversold. Once RSI is oversold, you're happy. The second thing is you want it to pull back to the 20 moving average. Once it's moved to the 20 moving average, this would have been a really good entry. So this is one example. There's loads of other examples I can give you. Let me show you a couple of other examples. So I showed you that one is in an uptrend, it's pulled back to its moving average, and RSI is oversold, pulled back to its moving average. You can see it had a nice rally. There's hundreds of examples like that. Nice breakout, pull back to moving average, RSI getting oversold, nice rally up. So let me summarize the strategy again. This is a very simple way of showing you the strategy. Like I said, I've got 15 hours worth of video explaining this strategy, so explaining everything in few minutes, it does make it very difficult, but I'm trying my best to share with you the strategy in few simple steps. So I am going to write down for you the key steps for this video, so you can maybe write it down. I'll leave it in the description below so it helps you understand what the strategy is. So you want a coin in an uptrend, and I've explained to you what an uptrend is. An uptrend is a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. Then guys, you want a RSI to be oversold and pull back to your 20 moving average. So these are the three very simple steps you can look for to find coins to trade and make money daily. There's always coins that are breaking out, sometimes more than others, but if you're trading on the smaller time frame, 15-minute time frame, hourly time frames, there's always opportunities available. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It's in a very simple way I've shared with you the strategy. Like I said, I've got 15 to 20 hours worth of content explaining to you step by step what the strategy is. And it's not just explaining to you what the strategy is, I'm actually sharing with you signals, how I'm trading it, so you can see proof of the power of the strategy live. I'm not sure if I'll do this live strategy again, and especially how definitely won't be doing it for only $40. Like I said, I'm opening 3 spots for this month, for the month of December. This is the last month of the trading strategy. You get the full strategy straight away because I've been delivering it since start of August, when I was only charging $19, $20, $30, but now you get the full strategy, and I'm doing it for 1 more month. So you've got 1 more month to get this strategy. If you are interested, you can check it out. And if you have any questions, you can email me below or message me, and I'll try to get back to you. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. My question to you guys is, do you want to finally become a profitable trader? Do you want to make money trading altcoins and cryptocurrencies? If you want it, guys, make sure you check this group out. Whether you're watching in the month of December, make sure you sign up now because there's only 3 spots available. If you're watching it at a later date, you probably won't ever get this price $40 ever again, but make sure I'll leave links below. You'll be able to find my website if I do create one in the future, or if I do run another educational group, I'll leave different links below. So make sure you check the links out or watch the latest video on my YouTube to find out more. If you're watching it now, make sure you sign up at this price. If you're watching at a later, if you're lucky to be watching it now, you sign up now. If you're watching it at a later date, make sure you check out my links to find out more about me. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.